Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to the Prampram project. In today's episode, we will be looking at the completion of the hidden roof woodwork. In our previous episode, we started with the woodwork for this roofing, and in today's episode, we will be seeing the completion, and also FO is going to take us through. So make sure you stay to the end of today's episode to see what was done by FO. And if you like what you see, that is his number on the screen. If you have a project, either decking or roofing or maybe pillar works, FO will be there to do it for you. So you call him and then you deal with him directly, right? So this is my personal project, and it was through this project that I started with this whole channel. I mean, I have two projects, the Dawinya project, which is still on hold. I think most of you are not familiar with that project. That's how the channel started, and then I switched to this Prampram project because of the sea view that we have on the third level, right? So if you want to know more about this particular project, I mean, if you want to start with your project and you want to know the step-by-step process, this is the project, right? So this is how I started with this whole YouTube thing. So all the information, step to step process, I mean, the cost estimates won't be valid now, because I think I started 4 years ago. So prices has changed, but just trust the process and follow the process. Don't be in a hurry. Be happy, right? Just do what you can at a time, and then you move. Like, that's how I'm building this. I do something, every year I do one major work which costs a lot of money, right? So one thing that's like, people, when people see this project, they're like, hey, you have money, you're building this big house. But I can tell you for a fact that I haven't sent like maybe 30,000 Ghana cedis straightforward into this project. It's always around 10 or 15,000 or 5,000 or 2,000, depending on what we are doing. I've never sent more than 30,000 in a go to this project.
So now, Gigo, we have finished the timber work. So we are waiting for the roofing sheet company and our company to come and give you or give us the estimate for the roofing sheet. So now everything be completed. You see, your man, this is the last wood that your man is cutting, the Spider-Man. So, the slope, no, the slope there, we get down. See, see. So now this, the down one, so it come all the way. So as you can see, your gutter to this your gutter to our gutter, our rain gutter. So you can see that everything be on point. See the slope. We get the slope that we get it. So this the area. So now I want to give you the 360 camera. So now I'm giving you the 360 camera. So this is the sea. You can see the canoes on top. see the canoes too on top of the sea. So our project, what we are doing, all the project near the sea. We near the sea.
So that was info for you with the update. If you want to see more of his roofing works, either heaped roof or hidden roofs, it comes to decking, anything with wood. Trust Efo, you can give your work to him and he will do amazing job for you. If you want to see more of his work, if you go to my playlist, it's called the Efo Carpenter. That's how I've named it. You see his works and the amazing job that Efo has been doing here on the channel.
And the frames also make ready. So the frames will be three. So this will be the big one. This will be the big entrance. And then the bedroom, the kitchen, and then the washroom. So you can see it from this side. We have three here. And then we come to this side. You see another big one here. So now the frames all make four. So four has done. Four has done finish. I'm done finish. So now you left the other groups. You see, the small boy that you are seeing in the video, this is the place that I give it to him. He is sleeping small. So he is the caretaker for the house now. Yeah. So now the roofing people to come around. They just come, so they start measuring the whole thing. So they are
So
measuring
fast forward, we have the roofing sheet company coming on site to take measurement and give us a quote estimate, how much it's going to cost us, to go for the roofing sheet, which I will be putting out the cost estimate in my next episode. So watch out for that if you want to know how much it costs for the roofing sheet. Like I said in my previous episode, the cost of the woodwork was around 13,000 something Ghana cedis. I don't have it off head now, but in my previous episode we will look at it so that we know how much it costs for the woodwork. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for any latest update.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amazing amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? And 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 will you get bored of killing me?
So fast forward, the roofing sheets are in and we will be doing the installation, but I don't want to make this video too long, so watch out for the next episode where we begin with the roofing sheet and how it will look at the end. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel so that you get notification anytime I upload a video here. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.